Welcome to our channel. If you purchased an NBA League Pass subscription and want to activate it to start watching live games, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the NBA website at nba.com or download the NBA app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Click on Sign In or Create Account in the top right corner of the website or app. Step 3. If you already have an NBA account, log in using your email and password. If not, create a new account by entering your email, creating a password, and providing any required information. Step 4. Once logged in, navigate to the NBA League Pass section from the main menu or homepage. Step 5. If you haven't purchased a subscription yet, select the subscription plan that best fits your needs, such as all teams, single team, or premium. Step 6. Complete the purchase by entering your payment information and confirming your subscription. Step 7. Once your subscription is active, return to the NBA app or website and log in if you're not already signed in. Step 8. Browse the live games, upcoming schedule, or archived games available through your League Pass subscription. Step 9. Select a game you want to watch and click Play or Watch Live. Step 10. If using a smart TV, streaming device, or game console, download the NBA app and log in with your account credentials to access your League Pass content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.